to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a really lovely fondant covered cake for a friend of mine's 50th birthday, and she specifically asked for rainbow flowers on it. And so I'm really excited about this. Let's get started. Don't forget your cake boards. You can make one out of cardboard covered in tin foil if you don't have one. Then we started stacking the bottom tier of the cake. This is 8-inch vanilla cake filled and frosted with mango Swiss meringue buttercream. I crumb coated the cake with mango buttercream and chilled the cake in the fridge while I worked on the other tiers. Then I assembled the middle tier, which is a 6-inch round vanilla cake filled and frosted with mango Swiss meringue buttercream. I crumb coated the cake and chilled it in the fridge while I worked on the other tiers. Then I assembled the top tier, which is a 4-inch round vanilla cake filled and frosted with mango Swiss meringue buttercream. Then I refrosted each of the tiers, cleaned up the cake boards, and chilled them again. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered each of the tiers. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I stacked the tiers. I put lengths of wooden skewer into the cake flush to the top of the tier to add stability. Then I stacked the next tier on top of it. Then I placed the cake into the fridge while I worked on the decorations. I need rainbow flowers, so I rolled out fondant in each color of the rainbow and cut out a whole bunch of flowers using various cutters. I also cut out the number 50 out of red. Once I had all the rainbow colors, I started placing them on the cake. I started with purple on the bottom of the cake and slowly moved up the cake, placing the many, many flowers. Then I placed the blue flowers. Then I placed the green flowers. Then I placed the yellow flowers. Then I placed the orange flowers. Finally, I placed the red 50 and the red flowers. This very tall cake turned out so gorgeous and just so pretty. I'm really quite proud of it. It was great for my friend's birthday. She was really happy with it. Happy birthday, Constance. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.